Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a wellness routine with MyFitnessPal step by step clearly. Start by downloading and installing the MyFitnessPal app on your smartphone or tablet. Create an account by signing up with your email or linking it to your existing Google or Facebook account. Once logged in, the app will prompt you to set your fitness goals. Input your current weight, desired weight, height, age, and activity level. After providing this information, MyFitnessPal will calculate your daily calorie needs based on your goals. Explore the app's features by navigating to the Food tab to log your meals. Use the search bar to find foods or scan barcodes for quick entry. Be mindful of portion sizes, adjust serving sizes to match what you eat. Consider setting up meal reminders to help you stay on track throughout the day. Next, head to the exercise section to log your workouts and track your physical activities. Select the type of exercise you performed and input the duration or calories burned. Take advantage of the home screen to view your daily progress on calories consumed versus burned. Regularly check the Nutrition tab to analyze your nutrient intake and make adjustments if needed. Set weekly check-ins to monitor your weight and other health metrics. Utilize the community features to connect with others for motivation and support. Lastly, stay consistent with your routine and adjust your goals as you progress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.